Here's another video from the Spaniard Moneymaker here in California, and I'm gonna talk to you now about Commission Hero versus Super Affiliate System 3.0 right now. So Commission Hero just recently launched the second part, the revised part, which I already went through Commission Hero. Now I'm going through the last part, the recent part. And Super Affiliate System just released a few months ago the 3.0 part, so for Super Affiliate System 3.0, which I went through the entire training and I just reviewed, so you can see another review from that product also from Super Affiliate System. But now I'm going to compare both of them. If you are thinking about Commission Hero versus Super Affiliate System, which one you should get? Well, there's no absolute answer for this, okay? If you can afford it, I would recommend you to get both of them. And you can see the link right below where you can get either the live training, the free live training from those both trainings, or just go directly to the sales page and get more information and you can purchase from there if you can afford both. If not, if you decide between one or the other, it depends on your personality, it depends on what you like better and all that. So basically, what I'm gonna say to you is that it depends on how specialized and how deep you're gonna go on particular topics. So for example, Commission Hero focuses more, or pretty much almost 100% focuses on getting affiliate sales to be a successful affiliate marketer on ClickBank using Facebook ads and Facebook marketing. That's the main focus of that course, Commission Hero. Okay, ClickBank with Facebook marketing, Facebook ads. That's the specialty. That's the guy, Robbie Blanchard. He's the #1 ClickBank salesperson in the world, and he does it mainly with Facebook ads. So that's what he's going to teach you in his course. With John Crestani, the Super Affiliate System 3.0, sorry, with the Super Affiliate System, there is going to be more of a broad approach and more open approach to affiliate marketing, where you're gonna be testing different traffic sources and different networks and different offers. Because John Crestani, he makes millions and millions of dollars, he makes tens of thousands of dollars every single day from affiliate sales, but not just from ClickBank. He does ClickBank, but also he does CPA, he does other things, he does other networks. So that's what he's gonna teach you, more broad aspect. So he also shows you Facebook ads with John Crestani. So if you're interested in learning Facebook ads, Facebook marketing, he shows you how to go in depth. And also, by the way, Robbie Blanchard also, by the way, he teaches Facebook ads inside the Super Affiliate System 3.0. So if you can't decide, maybe that's a good option for you, Super Affiliate System, because you're going to be learning from Robbie Blanchard about Facebook ads. He doesn't go as much in deep and much in depth as in his training, as in Commission Hero, but he's the one who shows you how to create a campaign for any affiliate program that you want, and how to do the targeting and all that stuff. So it's pretty interesting to me, I believe. So yeah, so with the Commission Hero, just that, ClickBank, Facebook. With the Super Affiliate System, you're going to be learning Facebook also, not as in depth, but you're going to learn the basics on how to get other people's, so you're going to be an affiliate for a product. I recommend you to choose products that they give you marketing materials already, offers pre-made, keywords and all that stuff. So this training, the John Crestani focuses on just giving you tools to take action. So you just copy the resources from other people, from other marketing, from other products, and you just paste them and implement it. So it's going to show you solo ads, email solo ads. It's going to show you Google ads, YouTube ads. Within Google ads, there's the YouTube ads, and then also there's the display ads, which you will pretty much do a banner, kind of like in Facebook, where it's kind of more of an introduction marketing, where you put the banner or a picture on other people's websites, on the display ad related websites and whatever keyword that you want to be related to. So that's all you're gonna be learning from the super affiliate system: solo ads, Google display ads, and Google YouTube ads, and Facebook ads. So, and then also the resources are great also in both places. Commission Hero and Super Affiliate System, they give you resources with preset pages that you can use, audiences that you can upload on Facebook to target those audiences, lookalike audiences. You can create lookalike audiences from there. They give you keywords, they give you a lot of resources that you can implement, and the training, the support is great in both trainings. They have great support system. They're both John Crestani and Robbie Blanchard. They're both great super affiliates, very legit people that are always gonna be showing up and give you support, the support that you need from their team. Their team is gonna be the main ones that I'm gonna show you, and also the network on Facebook. In the Facebook group, you can interact with other affiliates also, so they can help you out also. So this is it. Sure, up to you which one you want, or maybe you want both. If you haven't watched the live trainings yet, they're completely free. I link them right below, so you can just decide which training you like better, and what route you're gonna go, and which one you like better. If you can afford both, go for them too. Seriously, they're great, and they're gonna take your business to the next level. I recommend to go broad. Okay, my personal approach in life is don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's my approach. I like to be broad and have different streams of income, multiple streams of income. I like to keep a part-time job. So basically what I do is I'm an entrepreneur. I like to make money with affiliate marketing like this, Forex, but I also keep a part-time job to have a security type of thing, where I get for hardships, like for example for the pandemic, for example, where I get the huge unemployment benefits for the pandemic. For example, when I want to take a vacation, I get the income from my businesses, but also paid vacation from my job, a part-time job, so which is great, and it's a flexible part-time job that you can supplement. It's up to you. This is what you like, what you want to do. But I'm saying I recommend to just have multiple streams of income and traffic, to don't rely on just one, because Facebook is not perfect. Okay, I love Facebook, it's great. I do also, I have a marketing agency, and I like to do Facebook ads for my clients, but Facebook can be it is a pain in the butt. They're very strict. No, it's not that they're strict, it's like they're very weird and random. So when you're there creating Facebook ads, very often they're gonna ban the Facebook ad account for no reason at all. The good thing is that you can claim it and see if you believe you didn't break any rules, or nothing. You claim it, you appeal it, and every single time they've been saying to me, sorry, we did it by mistake, we didn't mean to shut down your ad account, we reinstated, you can keep advertising. This is what's been happening to me all the time now lately, and it's really weird. And it's a good traffic source, but I don't recommend you to just focus 100% on it, because it's so random. One day you're killing it, and then the next day Facebook says you're not allowed to advertise anymore. Sometimes they will ban your entire account and your entire IP address. This happened to me in the past. They banned my entire IP address, my entire computer and everything. So I was like, what the heck? I didn't even do anything wrong or nothing. So I was trying to figure out for months and months and months, and I had to go around to be able to manage my clients' Facebook ad accounts and advertising. And then one day I was like, you know what? I'm gonna talk to Facebook and see what's going on here. Why did they ban me like that from advertising? And I went there. This was like 6 months later. I didn't think about this before. And I went there and I asked them, and I told them, I don't believe I was bad reasonably. Like, I don't think I was bad. I didn't break any violations, but I'm still keeping updated with the policy violations, with policies and all that stuff, the rules of advertising. And boom, they said, you're right, Ramon, sorry about that. We banned you by accident. So basically what it looks like is like it's all automated, or there's some kids there roaming around and they're like, they don't like it and they just ban accounts, or I don't know what's going on, but it's really weird what happens on Facebook. So I wouldn't recommend you to just focus on Facebook for now. What I like about the super affiliate system is that it shows you're gonna start with solo ads right away. It's not regulated at all. You just pay somebody who has an email list. They don't care about nothing. They don't care about. You don't even need to your own landing page or nothing like that. You can just send them straight to your affiliate. Solo ads. Basically, what you do is you go to this person that owns an email list, and you pay them for X amount of clicks, typically between 100 up to thousands of clicks, whatever you like, and they charge you per click. Typically 40 cents per click or so, 50 cents per click, depends on the seller and the reputation and all that. But you can get as little as 40 cents per click, and you just send traffic there like crazy. And you can just send it to the affiliate. I mean, you don't need to worry about regulations and all that stuff. They just want your money and they just send traffic to your offer, and that's all you need from solo ads. And you can start doing that right away. And then Google Ads, it's great. I like Google Ads and YouTube Ads. They don't have any problems with the money making niche, the make money online niche. So you can promote these offers, the super affiliate system and commission hero. You can promote it with almost no problems at all from Google and YouTube. I do that all the time, and there's never a problem. Every time I try to do something like that with Facebook, I get some problems every single time. But if you wanna go to the route with Facebook and all that stuff, Commission Hero shows you how to do it, how to go about it, even though it's not guaranteed that it's gonna work, but it's gonna increase the chances of you being successful with Facebook ads, promoting this type of offers like the making money online and affiliate marketing and all that stuff. Robbie Blanchard shows you really well how to do that on Commission Hero. And yeah, so I like to keep my options open. If you only want one for right now, if you want just one product, I recommend Super Affiliate System and start taking action with solo ads and Google ads, YouTube ads. Really easy, straightforward. He shows you how to copy and paste other people's marketing materials and take action and make money right away. And then if you want to go more in depth on Facebook ads, what you can do is make money with Super Affiliate System, make commissions, and then if you want to specialize more on Facebook ads, you can go get Commission Hero and specialize more on Facebook ads. If you want to go that route, that's great. And also, I just did. I've been doing a lot of research about the latest trends on marketing and all that stuff, and Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and all those ads are losing trust right now. So basically, what that means is that the users now they're claiming their service and all that stuff. They did market research and all that stuff. Users they trust now better native ads better than social ads. What that means is that people, when they see an ad on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, they don't trust it as much as when they see it on a website, on a news website, or any type of content website, high traffic website. So that's the way to advertise on those high traffic websites, news websites, and all that stuff is with native ads, and that's a great way. Also, and when the Google Ads is great also. So with John Crestani teaches both. John Crestani teaches Google Ads on this, especially on this 3.0. He goes a lot very in depth on Google Ads, display ads, YouTube ads, which are more trustworthy than the social ads right now for users. And also, if you go to Super Affiliate System 2.0 on the archive, he also shows you how to do native ads. So you can do that also, which is great. I don't think it's good to just rely on one stream of income or traffic. So there it is. Just have access. I'm gonna link to each one of the free live trainings that you can watch if you haven't watched them yet. and also to the official website where you can read more about each product, and yes, you can just purchase and enroll the training. Rather, if you want affiliate marketing to be your go-to stream of income, that's great. I love affiliate marketing. I recommend to anybody and everybody who likes to build a business minded people, but they want to do it from anywhere in the world. Affiliate marketing is best business model for that. So just have access to that right below in the descriptions. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm gonna be releasing more videos about making money online from anywhere in the world, so you can live the life that you want from whenever and whatever you want, and more tips, more reviews, and more information about how to grow the economy, because right now we're in tough times with this pandemic and all that stuff. And I recommend anybody and everybody to have a supplement income that they can do from anywhere in the world, either affiliate marketing or forex or any type of business. And that's how I'm here for, to help those people and to guide them a little bit and give my personal experience and my personal recommendations to grow and improve the world like that. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.